Today we are starting exercise 13.2. A solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radius being equal to 1 centimeter and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. Find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. See here what is given in the question. A hemisphere is given on which a cone is situated. The height of the cone is 1 centimeter and radius of the hemisphere as well as the base of the cone is 1 centimeter. Now we are to find the volume of this whole solid. Volume means for the capacity of the solid that can be accommodated inside the solid. Now to find the volume, we will find the volume of hemisphere and volume of cone and then we will add these two volumes. We know that the formula to find the volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube and the formula to find the volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Then we will use this formula. See here, volume of solid is equal to volume of cone plus volume of sphere of volume of hemisphere, because here we have a hemisphere, volume of hemisphere. Now volume of cone is given by 1 by 3 pi r square h and volume of hemisphere is given by 2 by 3 pi r cube. From here you can see 1 by 3 pi r square is common and inside of the brackets we get h plus 2r. See here 1 by 3 pi r square is common. Inside the bracket we get h plus 2r. Now r is equal to h is equal to 1 centimeter. It is given that the height of the cone is 1 centimeter and radius is also given to be 1 centimeter. Then we will put these values in the formula that we have found. Now 1 by 3 pi into 1 square into 1 plus 2. We get 1 by 3 pi into 3 cancellizes and we get pi cubic centimeter. That is the volume of the required figure. Then we come to question number 2. Rakhel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends. By using a thin aluminium sheet, the diameter of the model is 3 centimeter and its length is 12 centimeter. If each one has height of 2 centimeter, each cone has the height of 2 centimeter, find the volume of air contained in the model that Rakhel made. Now see what is given in this question. There is a model in the shape of cylinder having two cones on its both ends. This is the cylinder and these are the cone 1, cone 2. The whole height of this whole model is 12 centimeter. The height of each cone is given to be 2 centimeter. Now we have to find the volume inside this whole figure. To find the volume inside this whole figure, we will find the volume of cylinder plus volume of cone 1 plus volume of cone 2. Then we will add all of these volumes. See here how we have done this. For upper conical portion, this is the upper conical portion. Volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h1. We have taken the h1 as the height of the cone. This because the height of both of the cones are same, therefore h1 is height of the lower cone also. Now we put the values. 1 by 3 pi into radius is given to be 1.5 centimeter. 1.5 square into 2. Then we will solve it and we get here 1.5 pi cubic centimeter as the volume of upper cone. Same will be the volume of the lower cone because all the dimensions are same. For lower conical portion, volume is 1.5 into pi cubic centimeter. Now for the central cylinder, because in the center there is a cylinder, for central cylindrical portion, R is 1.5 centimeter, radius is 1.5 centimeter, and height will be equal to, see here, the height will be equal to, this whole height is 12. 12 minus 2 minus 2. From 12 we will subtract 2 plus 2, 4, and we will get the height of cylinder. Then height is given by 12 minus 2 plus 2, that is 8 centimeter. Then volume is given by pi r square h. We put the values of radius and height, pi into 1.5 into 1.5 into 8. From here it get 18 pi. Then the total volume will be equal to the addition of all of these three volumes, that is 1.5 pi plus 18 pi plus 1.5 pi. It comes out to be 21 pi. Then we put the value of pi, it is 21 into 22 by 7. 7 3s are 21, and we get 66 cubic centimeter as the volume of the whole this whole model. Now this is the solution. See, you can see this is the solution for the question number 2, and this is the solution for the question number 1.